To Section 5, exclusive elite bonus features. These AI-driven capabilities are a real game changer. They literally transform passive, dumb cameras into active, highly intelligent security guards. Predictive threat forecasting uses historical data to actually anticipate potential security issues before they happen. Real-time threat detection spots complex coordinated attacks instantly. Facial recognition technology tracks individuals of interest across your entire facility, and behavioral analysis detects unusual patterns, like loitering or unattended objects. Your system isn't just recording the past anymore, it's actively thinking and protecting your future. And the high-tech bonuses just keep coming. Full system redundancy and disaster proofing, complete with fireproof and waterproof housing, mean your system stays online through major physical disasters. Edge computing ensures your critical processing tasks continue locally, even during a total catastrophic network outage. And my personal favorite, smart building IoT integration. Your surveillance system can actually hook up seamlessly with your automated lighting, access control, and HVAC systems. It's like a giant puzzle coming together to create a highly secure, incredibly energy-efficient environment. To tie the whole thing together, we have the VIP white glove service. Because you're an elite client, you do not just sit in some endless call queue. You're assigned a dedicated account manager who provides highly personalized consulting. You receive guaranteed priority response for any maintenance or incident troubleshooting, plus you get on-demand tech upgrades. It is VIP treatment all the way down, ensuring your business always operates with the absolute bleeding edge of surveillance capabilities.